Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcome you all again, and today we are going to discuss on a very interesting fact that you must have listened about the eco-friendly products, isn't it? But what if I say that paint is also coming that is eco-friendly, and apart from that word eco-friendly, this paint is going to be produced using what do you know? By cow dung. And this means what? The first important thing and important news is that eco-friendly paint has been launched. Fine. The second important thing is that why are this farmers or those people who are using the cattle rearing as their occupation, or those who are rearing cattle, or those who are having cows and buffaloes at their home, it's a good news for them, because the dung that is wasted will be used for making the paints. No doubt dung is used for other purpose also, for example for making fertilizer and all, but apart from that now paint can also be made, and I am using the word that it can also be made. It's not correct, because I'll say that it is already launched, that is this dung is already used for making the paints. Now what kind of paint is there, what is the use of that, we'll be discussing each and everything. Apart from that, I'll also tell you about its cost, that how much amount will be there for purchasing this paint. So let's discuss about it. So India has its own cow dung paint now. The most interesting and the most important news. Fine. So according to the Press Information Bureau, Nitin Gadkari, the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways and MSME, has launched a new paint, the country's first, on January 12th. The paint has been developed by the Khadi and Village Industries Commission at his residence. Now, what is so important about it? Let's have a discussion about it. So, what is it? The Khadi Prakritik paint is the first of its kind product which is being touted as the eco-friendly and non-toxic with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Fine. So this is clear that this paint is having antifungal and antibacterial properties. With actual cow dung as its main ingredient, the paint is said to be the cost effective and also odorless. Now this is very important, because as soon as you would have listened from me that this particular paint is made by the cow dung, and when you hear that it was made from the dung of the cow, this means it would be having a bad smell, isn't it? This was in your mind, but no, it's odorless. Fine. So it has been certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards as well. Now this Khadi Prakritik paint will be found in the two forms. The first one is distemper, you are already aware of, and the second would be your plastic paint. And as you are all aware, what is the distemper paint? It is quite famous because it can be painted, or this paint can be used for any kind of wall. But for this plastic paint, we know that if there is already some sort of paint, first of all you have done distemper for example, and then you want the plastic coating, then it becomes quite difficult. So we'll not go into that deeply, but let's try to understand that this paint, the paint which is made from the cow dung, is also of two types. The first one is distemper and second one is plastic emulsion. Fine. Now if I talk about its price, which I told you I will tell you about its price, then this paint is priced at rupees 120 per liter for the distemper and 225 per liter for the emulsion, that is for the plastic paint. Fine. So according to PIB, the paints have been tested at three national laboratories. The first one is National Test House from Mumbai, Shri Ram Institute of Industrial Research in New Delhi, and National Test House in Ghaziabad. So it has already been tested. Fine. Even Nitin Gadkari has given the tweet regarding same. So if we talk more about this paint, then this is not first time that cow refuse has been used to manufacture an everyday product. You know already that Patanjali is also using cow's waste. which is very very important for our health. So already the sticks in which we call in Hindi we call agarbatti. This was made from the cow dung, which are already available in the market. Fine. In 2015, an Allahabad-based Gaushala had developed a natural disinfectant from cow urine. It was called the Gau Ashish Phenyl in Allahabad and surrounding districts with the same antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Now, it was what were we used here? Cow waste and neem were used for making it. Fine. So we are already using cows products, different cows refuse products, which are very very beneficial for us. And now this paint is launched. If we talk about its properties, then what are its properties? See, it dries in less than 4 hours and has a smooth and uniform finish. The paint can be applied on the interior as well as the exterior walls. That is, it is normal paint. It is similar to those paints which we are using these days. Fine. So both distemper and emulsion paints are available in white base color, and it can be developed in any of the color by suitably mixing colorants. As you know that if you go for the Asian paints, or if you go for the Berger or Nerolac paint, any of the paint, their base color is what? White. And when you ask the shopkeeper or the person who is selling this paint, we tell this particular code is there. For example, 22631 is the code for a particular color. Then what does he do? He knows that how many drops are to be added, and using the computer he adds some drops of the color, and accordingly the color changes. So same thing is going to happen here, that the base color is white and you can ask for any of the color so that you can paint your walls. So the first important thing is eco-friendly. Second important thing is that it is made from the cow's dung, and it is going to help those people who are wearing cattle. Fine. So it is most interesting and important thing that is recently launched by Nitin Gadkari. Fine. So in case there is any of the doubt left, then comment section is available for you. Please do comment on it, like this video as much as possible, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.